Don't forget to remember me. Don't forget to remember me. Don't forget to remember me. Please keep me in your heart if we ever had to part. Don't forget, to remember me.
Hey, the king, modern day Martin Luther, Malcolm X. I'm officially the freshest, don't dare forget I'm gone momentarily. Don't bury me yet. Like Ali got, I got his title back, compare me to that. When the world needed Till, ask where he was at. But when he needs something back, nigga fade to black. Talk shit behind his back, you a hater for that. I don't expect nothing less. In the game with chess, you think 5 moves ahead and not behind. Niggas jumped up, cheered when I got my time. Like, yeah, 1 whole year I got to grind. But get me losing off your mind, shouting, may I remind you that it ain't another nigga who done been through what I've been through. Time after time again, you better get some you. When you said it was over for him and you thought he couldn't continue to floss, here's to your memory loss.
Don't forget